On this episode of Bobscaping, we're going to try out the new Toro Flex Force rotary lawnmower. This is the push model. It's a recycler, 21-inch, brandy new. It has wheel adjustments on each side that covers both wheels, so it does the whole axle more or less. And this is the battery that came with the snow thrower, 60 volt, 7.5 amp hour, 405 watt hours. So we're going to lift this flap up here and slide it down, push it till it locks, and it's fully charged, ready to go. If we wanted to bag, we would lift this flap up here and put the bag on there, the bagging device. But let's give it a go. Just mulching. Handle down. There we go. Nice and quiet. Okay, yeah, and mulching is good for your lawn. It puts clippings back into the soil and helps build up some organic matter. As I say, we have this set pretty high. The taller you cut grass, the deeper the root goes, so it's better in droughty conditions. This mulcher seems to be working great, so we'll continue on here some. Safety down, start button. So yeah, nice lightweight. I mean, even though the other 21-inch Toro lawnmower had a gasoline engine on it, that added weight to it. So this is nice and lightweight, very maneuverable. It's got the high wheels in the back. So yeah, looks good. We'll recharge the battery after we're done today. Okay, we're all done. You can see the underside of the deck stayed pretty clean. Of course, I waited until the grass was dry enough to mow it. That's always a good idea, and especially if you're mulching, that makes the mulching go better. Let's see how much battery we used. We weren't cutting real into a lot of grass or very deep, but all you have to do is press this button here, and it's showing 3 green lights out of 4, so we still have 3/4 of the battery left. And again, it's a small yard, so for this episode of Bobscaping, this is Bob.